Hey guys, welcome back to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's Cooking with Jack Show. Still healing from my foot surgery, and I just want to say a great big thank you to my lovely wife, Tammy, who, if it wasn't for her, I wouldn't be able to continue to do these videos. She's been a big help. So thank you so much, sweetheart. All right, so today I was thinking about, it's such a kind of a lazy man recipe, but it's also a rip-off recipe, so I'm sticking with the rip-off aspect of it, because you guys still don't want to go out to restaurants, you're still staying at home, so I want to bring you the recipes that you enjoy so much. And if you've ever been to Cracker Barrel, one of the best things at Cracker Barrel is that Hashbrown Casserole. So if you order, something that doesn't have Hashbrown Casserole, and I don't know what it is, but every time I've ordered, hey, bring the Hashbrown Casserole, bring me a side of it, right? They're like, if you work at Cracker Barrel, forgive me, they're the stingiest people ever. They must get a little teaspoon and just scoop a little bit, go boop, there you go, charge them $2.99. I'm like, are you kidding me? I can eat the side of Hashbrown Casserole in one bite. So basically, I found out how to make it, and I want to show you how to make it. And I can basically do a whole 9x13 pan for about $17, and that's even probably less than that. So let's go over the ingredients right now so we can get you the recipe so you can make it for your kids at home and they'll be totally happy. You guys ready? Let's do it. So tonight we decided to have breakfast for dinner, and first thing that came into Tammy's mind is, hey, why don't we do that hash brown casserole at Cracker Barrel tonight, and then we can show everybody. So this is a part of our dinner tonight. We have some company that's going to be joining us, and they absolutely love the hash brown casserole. All right, let's go over the ingredients right now. Got butter, onion, salt and pepper, sour cream, cream of chicken, soup, and then we've got the hash browns in a bowl across the kitchen. They're all been thawing out for a few hours, and then we got shredded cheddar cheese. You guys ready to throw this all together? I'll let you know if it tastes like it or not, because I love the hash brown casserole. If it doesn't, I'll tell you don't do this recipe. All right, let's get started. Okay guys, here it goes. We're putting all the ingredients together. It's kind of like making chili. First we're going to start with the main attraction, hash browns. And there is the cream of chicken soup. Ew, that was gooey coming out. And there is your butter. Sorry. There's your onions. There's your cheese. Lots of cheese. And your sour cream. There we go. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper in there. Start with your salt. Mix it around. Don't forget the cheese has a little salt in it too, so don't put too much salt. Pepper, have fun with that. I love a lot of pepper. So I'm putting 2 big grips. There we go. Alright, then gently, don't tear up your potatoes, but gently fold everything together. You'll probably have to add a little mixing to it. Alright, that's what it's supposed to look like all mixed up. It doesn't look like the hash brown casserole that I get, but we're not done with it yet. Let's get this in a cake pan. Alright guys, got it in our pan. We sprayed the pan so nothing sticks. I want you to cook this in your oven at 350 degrees until golden brown and the cheese is all melted in there and everything. You'll know when to pull it out. Alright, there's no time frame. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Okay, this is smelling really good. All right, here is the rip-off recipe for Cracker Barrel's hash brown casserole. You got a ton of it, and they give you so little at the restaurant. So you got this big cake pan of it. So let's give it a try and see if it's the real deal. Just to let you know, it took us 45 to 50 minutes and about 5 minutes of the broiler flame, just to kind of get it a little dark on the tips, okay? So we're gonna cut into this, and we're gonna do it right now. Now that's one serving. That's what should be at the restaurant when you order some on the side, okay? I think that's all they use in one day. That's what they do. They cut up little corners. Yeah, sorry. I'm just a little irritated at Cracker Barrel. I love Cracker Barrel. Good food. But they're stingy on this. So let's give this a try. I'm going to be so stoked if this is the real deal. Kind of cut a little bit off here. Let's see. It's still piping hot. Look at that steam. So anyway, how you guys doing? I almost like it better. That better than the Cracker Barrel. That is better because when I get Cracker Barrel Hashbrown Casserole, it's always cold. It's never hot. This is the hot. I just tried it really hot. That's the only reason why it tastes a little bit different. But it's spot on. It's better. The onions are more potent. You can taste the cheese and the sour cream. So delicious. You guys, I promise you, that's it. Home run. Nicely done. Now we're going to let this get frozen, and then I'm going to serve up just a little corner, and I'll feel like I'm right at the restaurant again. I love you guys. I will see you on the next episode. Take care.